So guys, I'm discussing about topic about that. Today we discuss call. So how to using YouTube ads to grow your business purpose. So in this call, first of all, we can go to option will be google.com/adwords. Sign in for AdWords option. So always remember question, how to use YouTube ads to grow your business. That is called you can promote your website promotion. There's a campaign name is called YouTube ads. This is called drive conversion. Select the new campaign. In this, select by website traffic or leads, anything. So you can go to a video for that drive conversion. I'm selecting for website traffic, video. There's a drive conversion. Get more conversion with the video ads designed to encourage valuable interaction with your business. This is compulsory, you can increase by your business purpose. Click for continue. After click for continue, they go into your campaign option. In this campaign, you can select by the particular name. So this is a showing for target CPA and maximum conversion. So which is we can suitable option. We can always selecting for maximum conversion. We can always suitable for maximum conversion option. This compulsory we can follow the maximum conversion option. Now you can select the budget, daily and campaign total budget. Suppose you select the daily budget, they will be deduct by your budget will be daily wise. Suppose you select by campaign total. So I'm selecting for campaign total will be 5,000. When 5,000 will be finished, the campaign will be done by your budget option. So you select by the daily budget because starting onwards will be 500 onwards. And remember, when your campaign total will be select time, start date, end date compulsory have to mention it. In your daily budget time, they don't asking for start date, end date is not mandatory. So why? Is a daily budget will be spending for particular amount. So daily budget, how much will be spending for 500. Now, where you can show your ads. YouTube search results, we can't show. YouTube videos option and a video partner and display network time. So which website approved by the Google AdSense? Which website approved by the Google AdSense? They're showing video ads on the particular website also. So now is only for display. The video will showing for particular website also. So here, there is the image. So which language you're promoting? All languages or one language? I'm promoting for all languages. Where are you promoting? Country or state? I'm promoting for total India. And here standard university, don't change any option. Next we can go to the ad group option. Next, what are the age people your target? Which age people are not interested? We can change it. Next, audience selection. Any particular audience you have to select. Go for it. Any particular audience. Business. Here is a all option. The particular services for particular business. Suppose if we go to the particular option, digital marketing. Here is the option will be selecting for here. So what are the your particular category? Select by the particular option will be here. This is a particular audience you are selecting purpose, but I'm not selecting any particular audience and any keywords. The selecting any keyword and any topic is a common one. I'm not give the specific topic and the specific keyword. If you give the specific one, you can go to your option will be here. This all option will be there. So here, search by face or URL. So I'm selecting for marketing. Here is the option. So you can go with the option here. These are the comparative will be there. So that is called proper will be not there. We can go with any option in the particular option. That is called I'm selecting for any topic in your particular option. Placements, YouTube channel, YouTube video, video in plus, website, apps and app categories. These are the placements you are targeted by your option here. Any particular YouTube you have target. You can target by the particular YouTube channel, particular app and particular website also. See this URL. Your ad can appear on any YouTube or display network placements that match your other targeting and specific placements to narrow your targeting. If a specific website you are targeting has equivalent app, your ad can also show there. So is a particular option. Now here, a particular business video here. So you promote your business by particular video option. So here we can add by video here. What are the videos selected here? Select my video. Copy. Search option. We can give the final URL. This called website. I'm showing you how we can add will display also. Display URL. Call to action. You can give your number also and headlines. Writing headline will be here. Now, auto generate using by YouTube channel banner or can add the normal image. It's added by the your custom thumbnail option. Don't add your own image. If you want to add your own image, add by your image. Here the website. Call to action, add your mobile number. Now, something writing here. Only writing for 10 members and 10 numbers is accepted. Or you can show your ad will be like this. Is a YouTube and a Google video partner. That mean by any website you play the video, the showing will be skip ad. The show to customer will be like this. Suppose I'm showing here. Anyone you can play for videos. In this option, I'm showing that is a one type of will be showing to the website ad, but they will showing along with the option will be called skip ad type. The video will be displayed and website URL along with the phone number also will be displayed. I can show one example here. Now here, this is the ad will be showing and this is your website URL. You're not showing for phone number. This is showing for terms and condition will be here. So video will be playing or showing. When you click this one, they go into your website option. Here will be showing to here on YouTube and the Google video partner and mobile also same on YouTube and the Google video partner. They will be supporting for particular website to show your ad on the YouTube option and the Google video partner website. That mean by which website approved by the Google AdSense, we can promote your website will be in the particular website also. So this is called we can promote it. So number is compulsory mandatory field that increase your call purpose. You can add your number or else just don't add the number. You click for create the campaign option, but they give you the notification will be here. That mean by compulsory phone number is a mandatory field. The number will be compulsory 10 digit. Add here and create the campaign option. When you're creating for dive conversion option, video along with the title, website URL, phone number, compulsory mandatory. What are my goal will be selecting for website traffic. What are the best strategy? Maximize conversion. What are the inventory type? Standard inventory. What the start date, end date? No end date. Why? Because my budget will be daily 500. When he is not interested, I can remove the budget also and I can remove the my dates also. I can pause my option where you can target India. How many languages? All languages. How many ad groups I'm added? One. How many ads? One. Continue to campaign. After creating campaign also, we have to changes option will be available. There's no worry about the changes option. Suppose some people asking one question. So changes will happen or not? Simple. Select the campaign. Next ad group where you can create the ad will be here. Just edit it. Edit option. Edit ad. What are the changes you have in changing video or any option will be required? Change by here. Everything will be there. No worry about the particular option. Suppose you're changing URL. Suppose I go for the another option. So this and save ad. simple what are the changes you have and edit it and changes. And when add a running time, so any campaign will be pause or anything, just simple one, select and pause. Anytime you can pause, and anytime will be running the ad. So if you want to remove this ad, just click and remove the ad will be here. In this ad time only showing for two option, it will be start and pause. Only two option will be available on the particular ad. If you want to remove, set the drop down option. It's in this checkbox, click for remove option. If you're changing budget strategies, anything you want changes will be here. You can target by your any placement will be here. So this is how you can promoting for your business by using YouTube video ads. In this particular, we can use option name is drive conversion option.